The blue of the swimming pool isn't a real blue, and there is no easy way to describe it as water. It transforms an ordinary backyard and the ordinary people who roar up in trucks, sitting stunned for a moment, now that there is no longer the moving belt bearing them on. Getting unbelieving out of the trucks, setting up playpens, getting undressed and into bathing suits, and finally entering the pool. The cat sits, while no one is looking, on the portulaca in the rock garden and looks at the people in the unbelievable, not real blue of the swimming pool. There are the very young grandparents, their own married young, and the spouses, and the assorted babies of the married young. Muscular, shining, joyous, the babies unafraid, they all accept the water moment, fountain of life or very womb. And the cat looks on in the sharp sunlight and drinks in at the eye the not real blue of the swimming pool. And the swimmers transformed and moving freely, ordinary and beautiful.